Alright, as always, thank you guys for watching. If it's your first time to the channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And remember, do the right thing, Share it up on your WhatsApp, share it up on your Facebook, share it up on your Instagram. Just share it all over. And if you have a YouTube channel, share it on your community channel because you don't know we need all the help we can get from all angles.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yo, so long she gone. Yo, me never see no. Yo, me make sure I put her shit in the right. Yo, as she come, me I tell her say big woman thing. Me in a chatting. She have left my place. Yo, she have left my place. Me I tell you. Me I tell her.
No, man.
Yo, where you come from? Eh?
No, man, I light up my cliff.
Where?
You're not ordinary.
Yo, where you come from? That more ask you.
Big man, where my things them
Yo,
there,
you
girl.
have man with me now. You have man with me.
Face away. Big
Yo,
man around with me and come out of my face.
yo, hold them, man.
I'm to the brother, yeah. Which man we have? Where you say?
Yo, me just a spoony. I tow you up on bicycle around the road down so my brethren see me and tell me.
And what that say?
Hey, me and
Oh,
man
I'm
there.
your brother, I'm not obligated. Leg off from my bag.
Yo, you know what? Take your bag. You have to go find somewhere go, you know.
Where you
Find
talk
somewhere
about?
go.
So you really have put me on?
Oh, you mean?
And you know I'm
Go
not know where
find
to
somewhere
go.
go. Yo, I'm not
All
busy
you know?
about that.
For a long time, I know say you're corrupt, you know. Because you can't use me. I'm going to
Yeah,
take
me I say, man.
program.
Go on to spoony.
And that me I
You
go
see
do.
me?
Yeah.
That. You can't stay at my place, you. Me I tell you that, yo. So just go and go there, think. Alright, I know.
Watch him
Can't
face, man.
trust you, you.
Are you can't trust? Because later when you're in your house and I'm there on the roadside, all you know, I know when I go tell God say, no. I don't know when I go tell Father God say, yeah, everything good, man. Hello? Good day.
Yes, good day, man.
Can I have a minute of your time, please?
Yeah, man, come to me, man. Step to me.
Aye. Are you near Uncle John Public?
Uncle John Public. Me name John Public, but me don't understand why Uncle coming.
Uncle Desiree daughter.
Desiree.
Yeah, uncle.
Why am I here? Me don't understand what going on.
My mother dead enough for your sister. Dead and gone. Uncle me a box all about. Everybody a take disadvantage of my uncle. Show them know me not nobody. So my question around and thing, I ask about my family member and them a tell me say, me have one uncle, John Public. And them direct me, I'm come on your uncle. They come rescue me. See the uncle? Bag of dirty clothes, clean clothes. Uncle, me don't know. That's why you know so me look uncle like some mad girl.
Yeah, man, I can't say for true, cause all the bag they come like market you come from. You bring no ground food from our country?
Uncle, me not tell you say I pay dirty clothes in there.
Dirty clothes in there. Ah, no worry. No say, all right, here I go. You're my family. See?
Yeah, uncle.
And Desiree, I bless her soul. Where go upstairs. It's a sitting and I walk out for my line, yeah?
All right, uncle.
So how long you plan to stay though?
Boy, uncle, you know, me not plan to stay long though.
Hmm.
But just want to get me thing them together. Yeah. Then me can dig off and go look somewhere. Yeah. Cause I like independent, uncle.
Alright,
Yeah, uncle.
Cause you are going on now. If a woman will soon come from foreign, and if you dress up like this, as sexy as this, with all them something that show, nipples and them something there, mean a problem because you go feel some involved. You understand what I'm saying?
Uncle, make sure you know your niece, man.
Woman, I think them with it. Because guess what now? You have family. You have to treat her special. Take care of you. Come here, going, man. Come.
Alright, uncle. Go on, uncle.
Go on, man. Me show you about going. Niece.
Hey, uncle.
How you doing?
There, you know.
Stay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bury my name.
Baby. Cause guess what now? It's a very long time that a sexy broomstick thing is a calling. So me, in my head just have you done a sexy broomstick. You know what I mean? And you just want me to know so you're comfortable. You know what I mean? You can stay as long as you want, you know. You know, but I worry about the part of me I tell you say, you have to stay and hold up and blah blah blah. Forget about that. Cream in the fridge, you know what I mean? If you want to cool down, if your body feeling a little hot, there's a lot of stuff there. So
So uncle never tell me say that. Oh, my mad saw me hair look like you can't do me hair.
yeah man, tomorrow what you want to do? You want
But I want braid it, uncle.
bread?
Yeah.
No problem, man. We can get it done. We can work with all that stuff, Come on, we work with stuff, man. So it's bedtime now, So as I say, we're dressed and just get yourself comfortable for bed, man. Yeah, man. So if you feel any type of way, you can call me. I'm right next door. Right? You see the door right there? Matter of fact, I don't close doors in this house. So if you want to open or close, if you want to, keep the door open, not close.
I understand, uncle. Me for sleep with my door open.
Yes, because at the end of the day, what if something happen? You have to run out and all these things. Yes,
No, uncle. Knock on the door, man. Me open it.
no, this is my place, and just work with what I'm saying. You understand what I'm saying?
Alright.
'Cause I'm doing a big favor for you, right?
Alright.
So just don't worry yourself. Just feel comfortable. As I said, let me take care of you. It's about time now. So I'm gonna go around there, As I said, just don't close the door. All right?
Alright,
Yeah,
uncle.
man. See you. Take, just feel comfortable. All right? All right.
No, don't go on my bed.
Remember, don't close the door, okay?
Alright, uncle. What is? Uncle, what you do? Wait there. What you doing on my bed? Come on, sir. Uncle, what you doing on my bed?
Hold on.
Uncle, where you there, pan?
I forget to tell you this. Hold on. No, listen.
Yeah, make me feel traumatized. Listen
No,
what?
listen.
Uncle, where you
I
do talk
forget
to
to
me?
tell you. Come over, see, man.
We don't want to sit down, uncle.
Come, listen. It is a situation where me sleepwalk. You understand? We have a sleepwalking problem.
So you not forgot doctor and get a medication. Where you do, uncle? You make me feel traumatized.
No,
Uncle,
me never
we
get.
chop out head now, uncle.
Me never get. Alright, listen to me. I never have the time to go there. Every time I go to doctor, place too full and I just leave out. You have to calm down. I don't understand why you're acting like this.
Listen, mama eating.
Yes, but listen, you have to calm down.
Talk, no man.
Alright,
Talk.
listen what I said, right? You see this place?
Yeah.
It's my place, right? And at the end of the day, I can walk around anywhere I want. You understand me? And furthermore, I want you to understand this. You see your sister, your mother, my sister, eh? It could be a case where she's a jacket, Because me look like a my papa and my mama, but she don't really look like a my papa. You understand me?
No,
so
uncle, what you say?
me I say your mama could have be a jacket. You understand me? It's so we not related.
Yeah, so what I say?
I'm saying
Yeah.
there's only two ways to the situation. It's either we work out something or you work out.
No, uncle, man, you don't make me feel weak. Who put him there now? Uncle, you know, say gotta deal with you know.
Hello, I'm telling you this.
Hey, gotta deal with you now, brother.
I pay my tithe and offering every week. Understand?
A church, I tell me about.
No,
I pay a wicked people go to church, you know. No matter how much I for, hey, no matter how I go, I can't hide from trouble.
Leave the church
Everywhere I go, problem follow me. I am uncle, you want to touch me? You're dirty, man. Here, I mean, I take up my bag, uncle. I mean, I go back on the street. Remember, you say God, God not sleep. Here, who God bless, no man curse. You come and touch me in my sleep. I can't be sleeping in privacy. That's why you never want me lock the door. You're a pervert.
Good night. You sure you're alright? Like, you're not alright, you know, because from come here, and I talk to you, you know, and some of you just have a head. But, me a female just like you, you know. But if on the road long enough to know where you go through.
Just feel frustrated. Tell me if this right. Me I go through one situation, you know. Yeah. I'm going to link my uncle and say, Uncle, me I beg you to help me for a little while. And girl, you know, say, the man a put argument to me in him own house. True, the man knows say, I not no mother, I not no father, girl. Girl, I don't know what to do.
Say to me?
I don't know where to turn. I don't know where to sleep tonight.
Yeah, well, I know where you go through. And I work me I go right now. I work up at one club up there, so forward now, man. If I fi talk to my boss, make you go and work there and make too. You know money in there, put in your pocket and something. Just forward with me, man.
What do you mean I work at club? You a bartender?
My work,
Wow, what kind of
dance.
But I never do them something there yet.
A easy 1, 2, 3. No, you never hear music a play and dance. Just entertain the people, them and just go on with yourself. And you can come stay with me until you find a little place, chill spot, you can relax.
How I can trust you like that?
Me a woman, you know. And I know where you go through, because I go through it too. I been through it too. So, bossy, I'm a friend this, you know, and she want work at the club, you know, so I don't know what you can do for her.
What's your name?
Very.
Gary. What old are you?
17.
Jada, what you do?
Bossy, I'm a friend, you know, and she willing to work at the club, you know, so me I try help her out.
You know all my thing go. You know so me not play them game at Jada. Me not go them age there. 18 and over.
Bossy, she soon 18, you know, bossy.
Yo. I go take care of them. Don't tell nobody them age. You might tell them. You understand what I say? Anything happen to her, and you responsible. Listen to man. Nobody will. You are a guy there. Here?
Alright, boss.
But no make this happen again. You want me tell you? But come in, man. You start work same way. Wow. Alright, just carry sure. Alright? Hello.
Jerry. Like you mash up. Can't wake.
Yeah, when I used to the road, you know.
You have to go get used to it.
So yeah, dealing.
Just wake up.
You know, some thank you, Jay. Yeah, man, feel me comfortable in a local place, man. Yeah, and I feel away, you know, you make me welcome.
I don't know much about you, you know. So tell me about you now.
Boy, a long story, you know. But me I cut it short, you know. Me nah no mother, nah no father, you know. Me a orphan. Me used to they in the homes facility, the cops. Yeah, I'm a runway. Go live with a little man. Since I live with the man a treat me good and everything, you know. All of a sudden the man started ill treat me, deal with me some way where me I feel wonder say that man and no love. Yeah. Him put on dirty clothes me for wash. Every minute bathroom now see me for clean it. Him no want do nothing. Him left everything for me as a little young girl. And girl, my got my uncle. And I know my uncle want to do me Jay have sex with me.
Jesus Christ.
Boy, me I tell me, anytime me I tell me just feel emotional. I lose my mother and my father from a tender age. And made a box around all about the place. Yeah, because I never have nowhere stable for go. Yeah, until me end up at cops. Yeah. I mean up at cops, this are never for me because girl have sex with girl, loving up, all the stuff them in there look with too. Yeah. But just till me get fed up and me want another girl just plan so we are run away. And when me run away now, me just go find a little man. Yeah. So you see, when me I tell you about, when you see me at the bus stop, me just feel drained. Like me can't take it no more. Yeah, me feel like I the last of me. And God send one angel coming up. See angel, yeah? Girl, you rescue me.
A simple thing that you know because no for the girl the way you see up at the club that they ain't got you, you know.
Mm. But more if you tell us I appreciate you, you know. And I thank you for what you do for me. I don't know how me I go thank you, boy. Words can't express my feelings, see, you know. You're a real friend. But anyway, where bathroom them want go all a bed.
Yeah, listen.
Yeah, my girl, what you cooking in the morning?
I'm fry some egg and some sandwich, me I go, you know? Look good.
I'm not lying. You know, say I appreciate everything you do for me. Yeah, as a friend. Yeah, you deal with me good and everything, but it's feel like a time now for me to go up on my own.
Really? You know, see me alone there, space there and everything.
I know, man, Jay, but no nobody tired of me, you know. Yeah, and me have a little friend. His name Jimmy. Yeah, I know say him have some, him have a heap of friend where have place where I go link him because I know him can make me get some friend.
Well, me understand, you know, and me know you maybe want your own space. So me follow you go link your friend Jimmy.
I know more I do it, you know. When I done fry the egg.
Alright, when me done.
Yeah. Theater Jimmy, a nice place.
Yeah, man. Nice place, man, and the lady is a Christian lady, too, you know? And the
Yeah.
place furnished.
Oh, you can't too take the Christian people in Jimmy. You don't know my style already, man. See, I rode my thing there.
Come, learn to see. Learn to
So
see.
yeah, they hide because she a
Learn to
Christian.
see.
Okay, alright. Candy,
What going?
me there, man. Yeah, man, you know, see, one of my friend want a place to rent, you know. So me carry her come give you a link.
How many room you want?
One room more now.
You have kids?
No.
You work?
Yes, my work.
Okay, all right. Come and show you, please. No, not here, son. Over there, son.
Alright, you know, Candy, look more, you know.
Yeah, man. Me and we talk.
Alright.
All right, cool.
Yeah, man.
Come on, baby. See us there.
Yeah, look, one room nice.
All right. Yes, so what is your name again?
Berry, my name.
Berry. Okay, Berry. This is going to be your room. Under one condition. Please. Me not like noise in my yard. Stop it nice, baby. Me not like noise in my yard. Me no want no bag of man in my yard. Me no want no heap of friend like them little ghetto girl when I heap of quarrel. If you know neighbor come tell me say no over here so the this and over here say that. Me no want no bad word in my yard. As you say you never have any kids, but in case you have kids and they tell me say I have none, me no want no pick me. Mark up me door, me window with no crayon or no pencil. You understand? Just keep the place clean. Anyway, you remember how much me say the rent is?
I don't remember, tell me again.
20,000 a month.
Okay.
Normally, would I take deposit with the first month rent, but you look like you not have it, so we just take the 1 month rent. You understand me?
All right.
Just make sure so you pay your rent them on time. You understand?
What your name again?
Candy.
All right, Miss Candy.
Yes, so take your right place, see your key here.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
man. Just keep the place clean here.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Come, baby. Come. Give me this and you stick out the eye. You crazy?
Yeah, girl.
Yes, me go buy sweetie for you.
Good day.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Is your name?
Berry. Me new in our community still.
Okay.
Me rent house from Miss Candy.
Okay, Miss Candy. I know Miss Candy. Me and Miss Candy are good friends.
Okay. But me want go and communicate with her still because I know say it's a shop woman and when me not have it, me can get something for trust.
Me don't have no problem, if trust nobody in the community, But once you're willing to pay me, yeah, me can trust you. You understand? And I remember you did just tell me, say, I Candy a rent house from me and Candy a friend. So if you don't pay me money, you know where we go already.
Alright,
Me
so
not go trust you nothing again.
alright, me not want nothing for trust now today still, but me just come introduce myself to you to make you know say me live over there, so.
Okay, once you live nearby, me there right here, so, and you live nearby, so you can come when you want.
Alright,
And
so
I
what your
tell
name?
you again, once you're willing to pay, because if my business run down, me not gonna have no money to
Yes,
stop
me
the
hear
shop.
that, miss. What
Alright.
is your name?
My name is Valerie.
Alright, nice to meet you. Later.
Okay, alright then, darling.
Acha. Mama, why pray? Last night me see up on the pool I go and body.
So what that have to do with you?
A business I come for. Cause yesterday my birthday, no today me happy day.
Yeah, how much?
That no matter.
Bad man, go on, man. Me not do no business with you. I look underage. Go on, brother, man.
Underage. Me never
friend-
ask you for
My
my
friend,
age.
go on, man. Me ain't not talking with
If
you.
me your friend, why you not give me a bus without me pay no cash?
Come to this little boy, yeah. You not hear what me I say? Something wrong with you? Or you not hear what me I say? Me say, go on. Me will mess.
Hear me I say now. A business you do. A business you do. And you don't have no business. Mine, right here so now.
I don't want your money. I say, go on where you go now. Give me a break.
I want today.
You're blackhead. You're just in my face.
Let me check my phone and see which one I will ugly.
You're just in my face like you're blackhead. I will bossy them, man. Me get mad out here saying, a bad man, I say, go on where you going. Okay? You're not even know me use one of them steal and lick in your face. You hear? All right. Bossy wonder boy, you hear? All right.
Boy.
Come not even in my right mood, you know, you know.
You're a madman or what? Boy. You know what she say? Eh? Yeah, what you do over here as a matter of fact?
You know, sir. Hold on there, bossy. Hold on there. You know, sir, you don't need no to deal with client. Because me come here so to support your business. And your worker deal me like a wild paper. What kind of style that?
Listen
Now
to
you
me.
start deal me like a, like
Hear
say,
me,
yo,
hear me,
I beg
hear
me,
me,
I beg.
hear me, hear me, hear me, now. This is my business place. Me don't want no noise in here. She said, on a time, on a working time yet. So now come in here, so come try harass her. When I working time, 8 o'clock, you come here. And if you get the chance to get nothing, you get some from her. You know, come here so with that now. You hear me tell her on a working hours now.
It best if me go a stoplight square. Serious thing, me can't take you so.
No come here so with it. This is
You
not
know what, me I go somewhere else.
I don't have to do for me kick you in your body.
You know what? You better know say I just violate. You can wear flap yourself.
Apple.
No, bossy and apple. Remember berry?
Apple, berry, strawberry, berry, any one of them you want to call yourself. You hear what me I say now? You see, what you do here, sir? You're not supposed to go home.
Bossy, you know, say, God know, I make the money last night, so they are go and chill back in a day. I have to see if I can get a 1 and 2 client.
Yeah, but you chill back, and you not to have the audacity for you ensure so you wipe out your room and clean up the place. Remember, say I know some run my business place in the mama.
But bossy,
Listen to me now, man. Listen to me now. You have to ensure so the room then clean up properly. That's why I not really make nobody stay here.
Bossy, I'm stressed out, you know, and an official place is here, you know. I not do janitor work.
And you get money, don't it?
Bossy, I not understand. I not do janitor work. Right now, I'm frost out, bossy. You see when I do drink and smoke. I look at one man. Just give me a breeze, man.
Yeah, breeze, but hear me, I say, no make it happen again. You hear me, I tell you?
Alright.
I want man, they give me one tip figure. I want it. But you did go for 2 room where you cat 2 man go in last night. You think me no remember?
So you can't wait till Friday?
No man, me I keep my money, man.
That's say I move, bossy.
Then how me move? As a business me I run, what you think me I run as a party shop?
Business me I run too.
You are run a business and me so me I forget for me money. Each time I do a business, I get me $500.
Yeah, right, you know. I soon come link you.
No link me.
Candy, oi.
What going?
There.
I thought you want to talk to me?
Yeah, man.
I can't turn up in the sun. I'm going to shady. Come down here, so. I hope a good news they tell me, you know, because I can't bother with the mix up this area, you know. God know, I can't take it no more. People just can use and I mix up them one another. This is 2023. I'm tired of it in 2022. I know if it top care news and I tell like on people.
No, Candy, and I say thing.
You say 2 times. 2 times you say candy. Me and you are no size. Me's not your mama. But me could have be your mother. You understand? No call me no Candy when you see me. You, a foul person, must say, Miss Candy. Next time you dey call me, address me properly. Don't do it.
Okay.
What you have to say?
Okay. Auntie Candy, that sound better?
No, me's not your auntie, say Miss Candy.
Miss Candy, that sound better? Well, it's tenant we have over a yard.
My tenant?
Yes.
Awa, you are there?
No, sir.
So I know.
I go a club with my friend them last night because I'm birthday yesterday, you know. And I see her on go-go pole. I don't know why them young girl that stay so, you know.
Who you say? My tenant?
That's right, your tenant.
Little boy, me know you for a long time, you mix up,
Which one of them mix up with flour
Yeah, how much
and
you
sugar?
roll? Cause you look like you're young. Me know say we all in your 30, but me, as some me love call people little boy, don't, and this me and this, me know say you're a big man. Listen to me. You could never underage and go in a club. But you just tell me, say, you see my tenant. In a club, the dance go boy, top tell lie.
Boy, you know say me did know say this a come forward to say me I tell lie. I should have a video her. But you not keep them naked something on my phone, that's why I'm not do it.
That alone, you tell me.
Yeah, if you know say you must skin out so.
What you say?
If you know say you must skin out so.
You see she the skin out.
Yeah.
Make sure say that's what you're talking.
You know what? That is not the bad part. You know Christy and Valerie when beside of you? Team husband and she go in a room, got lock up, and them hear voice like baby a cry.
What kind of sound you see here?
Nobody come call up me name to them because I'm me alone they know up there. Because I'm here.
Okay.
You understand?
Me not call your name. You not have to worry about it. But that girl need to come out of my place. Me never know say she a prostitute.
You know say I'm not trust her face
The
though.
dance go and he living at my place.
You know say I'm not trust her face though. Your reaction
You
for
know
your
what?
face.
You know say me talk to you good and you come like you want me get corrupt on you right now. Thank you
Corrupt.
for telling me the news, but me juke off your face. And what you do?
You
Remember
know,
say me not stop you and you stop me, you know? And you stop me and I care people name to me. Who to tell if I know go you go to the girl if you go buy some front and because she don't give you a care news go and tell me. Little boy, you see you're not act like a big man. Act your age, you hear me? You have the age but you're not act mature. One way I go, thank you for telling me. I'm not calling your name but me go to her about it.
you see you drop me on my forehead, Miss Candy. Because you know say you have something behind the bench. Well, me here say you have two man. That means say you and the tenant are the same thing. Cause you don't know better.
I have no time for waste for you idiot. Good evening, Berry.
Good evening, Miss Candy.
I get to understand so when I did come to me for rent you the place, I never really ask you what kind of work you do. Now me find out say I go you dance. You do prostitution work. And you see me, I'm a God-fearing woman. Me not like when young girl do them kind of work there.
Stick a pin. Who tell us say me I do them something, them, Miss Candy?
Don't worry about that. When somebody tell you something, you don't need to go back and call the person name because that can be a problem. Anyway, you see the job where you take up as a young girl, you need to put it down. It's not right. And me, a God-fearing person, me a Christian, me go church, me not like there's something there in my yard. Because these people bag a man, where they go in and they come out. And at the end of the day, you're not paying no rent. You know how much rent you owe me for? You know how much 4 months passed already. Berry, it don't make no sense you talk. If you do not find somewhere else to go, I have to give you notice.
Miss Candy, me not pay no rent. Miss Candy, just tell me say you want me come out to your place.
Wait there.
Who they are bring up
Hold
all
on.
this farmer life.
Hold on, Berry.
Where Miss Candy?
Berry, me no come fi in no argument with you. Me just come fi tell you say, the type of life where they live in my yard, me no used to it and me no want it here, so
Candy,
else
but
you
me not
have to
bring
go
no money
move.
in your yard and my life not concern you. Your rent a pay, Miss Candy. Just tell me say
Who
want
you
me to
pay
come
it?
out to your house.
Who you
I
pay
have
the
my
re-
receipt, them can show Miss Candy.
You have the receipt.
All right, Miss Candy. Me gonna make you see the receipt then, but me gonna come out to your place.
Show me the receipt.
Miss Candy,
And
me soon
if
go for the receipt them.
me
Listen,
wouldn't mind if at today you take yourself out of my place.
Miss Candy, how you treat me, sir? You not have young girl like me too. You must have children like me too, Miss Candy. You
Me
cannot
have daughter.
treat people
Me have
pittance,
daughter
sir.
like you, yes, of course.
You cannot treat people pittance, so Miss Candy. You don't know the struggle and the tribulation them when me I go through. Why you do me this?
I'm not doing anything.
Why you come over here, sir, now I put peer stress in them? Miss Candy, you don't know the stress that me I go through, you know?
What kind of stress you go through? Why you never come to me and talk to me?
All right, I'm going to come out to your place. I'm going to come out to your place there.
Valerie!
Oi,
Girl, me have news for you.
lie, what going
I don't know nothing good enough, no nothing normal. You see the little old maga girl, Berry, same one, the same tenant when me rent over my yard. You don't know say girl a prostitute. The girl dance go.
A lie.
Stay about a lie. Oh, you not tell lie upon people. The girl a prostitute. If I did ever know, say that the type of work they should do, mood rent her my place. I need to speak to Jimmy. Because me and Jimmy are friends a long time and I don't mind shopping knows that this girl are them type of girl there. And still come carry girl come at me yard for me rent in my place and Jimmy knows say me no like them type of sitting there. Why Jimmy do it? You know Jimmy too and you and my friend.
Me
I
know
wonder if
Jimmy,
you and
of
him
course.
discuss about this before you
No,
come over me
me
yard
and
with
Jimmy
this
not
girl.
discuss about nothing
Me go
at
tell her
all.
sitting that the girl that they a club every night, she dance go.
Eh?
And your husband, they a club almost every night. And who to tell if she not sell your husband some of her front?
Me husband do what?
Where him they do a club every night and he live with you as him woman? Me not understand.
And him say security work in gang do?
Security who?
Security work.
You're
I want
lucky.
this for me, Father God.
You're lucky.
You-
Any type of work my man
you-
they do me have to know
you
about
know
it.
say-
You too staff.
Look at her. She come on my shop all the while come trust things. And when me look on that the girl, let me say this a girl look at one normal girl, this a girl look like she a bad girl. And for me husband tell me saying gang do security work at night time a club. That means saying good all down there buy some of it. Me no look like a them beat up body girl there.
You damn look good.
Eh?
But I
Because
you
me look at this I was the man that was the Philip. Watch me and the boy Philip.
Let me talk to you a
While
little
him,
bit. 'Cause guess
now
what?
while him.
Me a talk and you a talk, you know, look like you hear what me and say, but me go
Me
tell you
hear what
something
you
right
say.
now. Anyway, you see this here? Me owe you one little $200 over here. And me come fi clear my bill. See it here. This how much?
100.
100?
Mhm, 200.
Make 200, take
Yeah.
it. Me no owe you nothing, clear my bill.
Alright.
Me go tell you something. You see that little dirty girl that when me rent my place, no trust her nothing
Me
more
not
over
trust
here.
her nothing more. Me a wait for her because she owe me one money. And when she come, me a go tell her say me no want she fi come back at me shop and she fi pay me and she a dance go and me no want no go girl come trust nothing in my shop.
No, listen, oh, you're gone too far. When she come over here, do like you know, hear about it, not tell her.
No, me not go mention your name.
No, you're not.
Me
Not
not
at all.
go-
No.
no.
Like say she no go and she no this and all that. When she come, and she come for trust from you, just say you cannot trust her nothing anymore because she not clear her bill. Simple. Argument done. But that's true, me tell you, but no make she know say I'm
No,
tell
me
you,
wouldn't do that. I wouldn't
Oh.
do that, Candy. I wouldn't do that.
Me glad me get rid of her out of my place.
Of course.
Them the kind of people
Because-
them me no want in a me place, girl.
From
The girl have too much man over my place. Me no want so much man. Me tell you one little secret. Oh, listen to me. Come here. Why you there in shop?
Me alone in my shop.
You know good for you keep so much man, but a two man me have not tell nobody. Me soon come later.
Alright.
Later, me gone.
Later. When she come, me make sure say me a go put her, tell her say, me no want her back over here fi trust not man. She fi pay me bill, but she owe me.
No
and me-
trust
she
her
want-
nothing.
Me not trust her nothing.
Jimmy,
Hmm.
want to talk to you.
Go on.
Jimmy, how me can do that? Jimmy, you know how me come down already. Certain things me no inna. You know say me a church lady. Me a God fearing somebody. Me no inna there something there. Jimmy, me have to run out the girl out of my place. The amount of man we she dey carry over there. Me can't stand there something there. Me can't stand that and she dey owe me rent every time. Me can't bother with it.
Me know say she a prostitute, but that no concern me. And that not supposed to be concerning me.
It concern me because my place Sheena. Me don't know
Mm.
about you.
You know about me?
Mm-mm.
If you leave all judges to God.
Right now, God a judge you. Fi carry a prostitute come give me as a tenant in my place.
You know Jesus come?
You know Jesus come?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, and that me come to you. But it's the girl where you care coming to my place where they cause contention around there and confusion. The girl has stressed me out. Every night, me see be a man a pass the gate go over there. So Jimmy, me can't take it no more, so me have to run around. Me sorry.
Candy, as bad as things do. She not can no man come here yard. A club she a dance. And any business where she a do, a club she a do it. You understand? You say you run a road. Okay, cool. Cool. Alright. When one door close, 1 million open.
Jimmy, I don't like how you sound suspicious. You look like you are by front for her too. Anyway, me go about my business.
Jada. Jada.
How I going?
Girl, I can't bother. You know, so the woman I'm rent the place from run me out.
Come sit down, come on. Yeah, what I going? So tell me, what really going?
I'm not tell you say the woman when go rent the place from run me out. One piece of excitement. Me shame like a dog. But she say me I go road at night time go sleep, lose my body. And me a prostitute, so she no want them type of liberty there in her yard and pick one bag of boy, me no know. The story come from me, so go way down, so me have to say, miss, we can't manage it.
You know, so when they check it out, the woman they come like some crosses.
Crosses, come like you make
Crosses.
but she a Christian, a
What
gospel grinder.
what your lifestyle have to do with that?
Exactly. I hate me a try.
You do what you do, she do what she do.
I'm not work, and you know that too. Me have to feed myself. Come like them want me to walk in a community of big people. The people tired of me, girl. Me can't understand them people. I don't know. Me can't live for please people, you know. And come like I eat them want me for the live for please them.
That day, you know, when I follow you go up there, you know, the spirit could have tell me, say, me not take the woman there, you know. Because she a behave and I go like she a Christian, and if you check it out, her life, 10 time.
Worse than mine. Yeah.
She may be a do worse than we.
And both she a Christian. Christian people not deal with people. So Christian people that take me and put me for sit down and talk to me, encourage me to say, I don't like the work where you do still in about. Time I come you go change. Come at church. Try to tell me them look something there. You go show me say, come like she not no love her, she not no pick me. She not no youth.
I tell you about mankind, you know. Some of the time you have to just...
The amount of money she say me owe her. Me say
Say the parent.
me say me have all of the receipt them. Me say the woman a try to draw one bag of allegation for me in a community. Make the people them have me like say me. Hey, me not lie. Me hate when people play the victim, you know, my friend. Hey, me not lie. Me I go through it. Me I go through it, my friend.
You have to go. Go on, Jamia, so on, see what can go on.
That me have to go do because I don't know where to go now. Alright, then I go hold that beard.
Alright.
You're not easy, you know. You love your magnum, I say.
Magnum have to beat, you know?
Yeah, girl. Feel cold, I say. Yeah, full up now morning. Feel hungry now.
Boy, nothing of the day, you know. I don't do no shopping for other day, you know.
Now worry yourself, man. I go up on Miss Valley, go see if I can get the rice and chicken. For chop.
Alright, do what you have to do, man. Guess everything there, pot and everything.
Alright. I say I go for rice and chicken.
Ah.
Alright. Miss Valerie! Want something for cook, you know. I'm hungry, yes, man. Can't get pound of chicken and pound of rice for just. I'm hungry, yes, man. Weak out. So you look for me, sir.
I hear something about you, and I hear said you are going down at the club and doing prostitute work, and you said you want rice and chicken back to go cook. Let me tell you something now.
Here, say, can't go court, you know, Miss Valerie. What you say? What you say?
Me spirit take you. Me spirit take you, you know. Me spirit take you. But you see, when me hear say I do, me mind change from you.
Where
and
you
you see money
say?
where you want me to, more you pay me before
Cut
you
long
leave.
story short, no man, where you hear, say, Miss Valerie, I'm hungry now.
Yes, say you do prostitution work down a club.
Lord
and for me
God.
husband too. Me
Oh.
hear say my go down there to no man shop, you sell him some already.
I want to tell them something, Miss Valerie. When I don't want something, my next one, Lord God.
I want me hear.
All
Alright, look on your chest. Look there. That is sure see I no lie me I tell and no lie people them I tell upon you.
So all my dress
Very.
concern you, Miss Valerie. Miss Valerie, listen what me I say. Listen what me I say. Miss Valerie, stick a pin. I hear something or am I something? Me not understand on another community. Everybody have I take a set for me, but me I go a club, me I do prostitution work. Me not understand, you know.
I know my something. I hear something, you understand? But here what me I say now. Me I say the people them have it attack and me no want no prostitute to come on my shop, come trust nothing or buy nothing. You see prostitute no fi day in your so, not this a place. And then if you come out, you see all you know, if you just come out of this district. Just
But me
come
not
out of this
understand, Miss Valerie. Look here now, you have a shop, me not have a job. And me I do something for your living and you judge me. Come like something wrong with them people in the community. Hey, me tear down here now. Miss Valerie, me I gonna give you your money. I might have fact me not even have it now. You gonna wait till when time I can give it to you.
So when you come pay me money,
Miss Valerie, love me alone. You sell your goods, love me, me sell my goods. When your husband come back down at a club,
alright, wait till him come back later on, I'm gonna mash him up. You go on, you look a prostitute, you.
every minute, me I sell one body, me I do this. I just fed up of the community. Jada,
Yeah.
you don't know what go on. The
Oh,
people I'm just feel uncomfortable, so.
How I go on now?
No, Miss Valerie.
How Miss Valerie do you know?
Jada, you know me and the woman, we have a little bond. We have a little friendship. Me ever go trust on her and them thing, I'm a PR. Me I'll buy her a juice tomorrow a while. When me go up there, me ask Miss Valerie to trust me some rice and chicken. Stick a pin. Me not trust her nothing more in my shop. Come here say you're a prostitute.
How Miss Valerie know say you do them work there?
Jada, me not laugh, man, because I'm hungry. But stick a pin, so miss, them don't know what you do.
No.
No, you know, so me feel like a Jimmy I spread my name. Jimmy, when me think of my friend, I spread my name in the community, I talk about me a dancing a girl.
I must know.
Jada, I'm not comfortable no more. Me thank you for putting me up on thing as a friend, but me feel like me gotta just come out of that community. Can't take it no more.
I hear you try, you know.
Yeah, me I just do the right thing, man. Cause nobody not take no set pan you, and me them a take set pan. Girl, thank you for helping me out here, but me I pack up my things and man go on. When I not Candy and Miss Valerie, no Jimmy. Cause me not even trust Jimmy neither and I'm a friend. You know what? Later, here.
Alright.
Alright, Jada.
Dirty Philip, I say you there, tell me how you go to double time. And how you do security work. So, from when you not come home, I don't say you there. I you no can no money come give me if you come put no stock in my shop.
Valerie, why me can't watch me? Eh? Me not tell you say I work me there.
Work you there what? And you tell me how you do overtime, you do double shift, and you done ya. From when you not come home, eh? Don't run bring me no Philip. Don't run premier, no feel for run premier already, you know. And you go tell me how you do double shift on the down ya with dirty go-go girl, eh?
Valerie. No matter the excitement, Valerie, man. When we
Come
go up, you
out
can...
just let me talk to you. Me say, you're down here and oh, you tell me say you do double shift. Me no like them something, you know. Me no see your man, you know see you murder me if you murder you out here, you know.
Valerie, listen to me.
Don't beg me, me want money if you go buy things to put in a shop and you're down here with the girl them.
Alright, Valerie, see money, Valerie.
Spread out the money, eh?
Alright, Valerie, him. See him.
This you know no money, me want more money. Me want more money, Philip. Me want more money, Philip. Don't ramp with me, Philip.
Alright, Valerie,
Don't
alright,
play with me.
him, Valerie, him.
See how much money this year. Me want to know if me think me sitting no good, make you that down a club, eh? I buy go-go, prostitute. I look for the money where you give me. Wait time me want a dirty, Philip. Wait time me want you.
Valerie, where there, Sado?
Taxi me, I look for go outside, go buy some stock for your shop, you know. Me run out of stock.
Girl, me go to church Sunday. How were you today?
Why Sunday I want busy day, you know. You know, whole heap of people come out, come buy things like maybe never come to church. But anyway, me send me tithes and offering.
Pastor preach a piece of sermon today. God Almighty, me wonder if I mean the talk. So what the pastor drop, kill me dead, I mean the talk. Cause me feel so bad for the little young girl when me rent the place. Oh, me and you sit down and slaughter the woman. Eh? Oh God. I want a young lady.
Sorry for hear about that the pastor going with that church still, you know. But really and truly, you know, me slaughter him now you.
You are mixed up. Me come to you, figure and they tell you sitting and the two when they talk about it. No, it's alright, everything good. Me take it blame. Me not tell you no lie, Sister Valerie. God know. If you know me feel sad. Me feel so ashamed when the pastor they preach. Guiltiness a kill me. The way how me and you talk about the young little girl. Who to tell why she end up a do them the kind of work them. Me no know and me never ask her. You understand? So me feel bad. You know say, me go have to go home and fast and pray about this and ask God to forgive me.
Fast and pray for you too, man. And make sure, say, when you go to church, fast and pray for young me same way. Because I tell you, say, me sorry about everything. I mean, cuss her, you know, me cuss her badly, you know. Until I say she not come back and me shop can't trust not more. She come out of the community. And now I don't want to see her back.
Yes, me go fast and pray for you too. All she me go fast and pray to. Pray for. You understand? Sorry, I mistake me make, but you know what me did want to say. But you have to go fast and pray for yourself. You understand? Because when me fast and pray for you, nobody thinks say yes, everything alright. No need to pray for yourself. I mean, not tell you no lie, you know. We as church sister, you know, so we mix up with the top chat to one another and help people when we see them in a difficulties. Anyway, gone.
Later.
Yeah.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Yo, Barry. Yo, I really bury this, huh? Oh, man, I tell you, say, yo, God know you. I'm glad for even see you, so. I never expect to see you, but I'm glad to see you, so. Well, yo, you know, I know say you feel that way, you. I really feel sorry about it.
I can't understand you. No couple months now you run me out here, come and tell me say you're sorry.
Yeah, man. Because when I do, you never fear to you. You see me? I'm just say you're a real girl, you know.
I tell us say God real.
All with them to the talk about you lie, them are telling you, I'm find out that it. Yo,
Yeah.
babe, yeah.
Come on, man, wait now, man.
God know you.
You see karma? Karma really here. You never know karma is a bitch. I tell us in a ramp with God pick the man.
Judge.
Yeah, God anointing, don't ramp with God pick the man. So what you really want?
Ah, you what I want to know, see? Big man thing. A long time I look for you to give you this shop. Long time, cause me do something for you and this is the makeup and work permit to fly with our foreign, everything in there. All you have to do, you get your two passport size picture and sign it up with a JP and thing. This I gonna make you fly out. This are the reward for when me make you go through all these times, yo. You see me wrap it up in a plastic bag and I didn't want it wet up, not even moist.
Tell her say God good in all these while you're hype up. Me tell her, you know, my friend,
Judge,
before me
yo.
left here,
Sorry.
me tell her say, don't ramp with God Pitney. But me thank you still. See,
Yeah,
I
man.
thank you, Father God.
Say
The
so, I'll
struggles
go
them
one organ.
over now. Eh?
More to look.
Eh.
Alright, everything good. But I'm glad say you accept it still.
Alright,
Bless
big
you.
up. Thanks, here.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yes, sir. No, nothing.
Me good, man.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, if you're hearing the sound of my voice, it simply means that you have watched the video to the end. So thank you very much for watching. And I don't know who this is Richard Brown from Richard Brown Films. And on the behalf of myself and the entire team, we want to say thank you guys for supporting us. This is our third video for the year, and we want to say thank you guys for staying with us. And for all those persons who have been supporting us from back then till now, thank you too. And if you not share the video up, share it up. And if you not tell a person about the channel yet, tell somebody about it, because everything that you guys do goes a far way in helping us to grow. We are at 145,000 subscribers and we are pushing to that 150 mark, and we want Unofi stick with us and help us get there. As me said I think me saying in the last video, 1010 is back in the hospital. So she's gonna need all the love and support from not just us, but from you guys who are the subscribers. And not only love and support, and when I say support, she's gonna need financial help too. The local health system in Jamaica, good. So we are want to know so she get the best care that she can get, which is most likely private hospital. So link me up if you want to contribute something to her, and then we can make a link to her directly, or you can channel it through me just the same to ensure so she get it. Big up on yourself, continue to support. And if you don't notice, we have a product that we've been talking about on most videos, which is Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. You will see the little flyer come up on the screen. So make sure so check it out, man, if you want a little detox your body. Or if in the bedroom you know too go on too good, you can link him up. Him have some nice pill for health, no health risk. So not have to worry about that part there. So as I say, I want to big up on yourself, continue to support what we do. And if you like what we are doing and you want to support from a financial standpoint, link us up, man. Send a little donation there, because everything goes a far way. So big up on yourself, and hopefully we can drop one more video before the month and I make it 4. Big up on yourself. Alright, so here we go. So you're still on about. What are we already come to you? So something can go on. When there last night, they want me to see up on the pole and dance and thing, I found this something like, but through this is here when busy. So you come back here now. You come back where I say, so you say, nothing can go on. You look up and down for him. Look boy. Yeah, how much? Me not do even little picnic, man.
Yeah.
You say you're there from last night. We are do back here so today. Go on your yard, man. Yeah. Man said, he was within 3 bag of chatting. Yo, me and a little boy, man, a big man, Last night, my birthday, I celebrate my birthday tonight. Today, I enjoy myself.
That's
so you say?
Nothing to do with me, eh?
Right. So after you talk to him and tell him,
Work, my girl. What kind of talking that?